Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you a map that I just finished called Meteoroid Route. And this is a race map, which is something that I'm not really familiar with making. So this is the beginning, very straightforward. And in this map I wanted it to be a bit unique because a lot of maps that I've seen that are race style are just kind of straight up and down jumps and then banked curves, and so I wanted some like tweaked jumps like that, and then ramps that would make you go twirling, just so that if it happens perfectly you might get like a nice backflip or something towards that extent. So really this map was designed for my own personal taste. It's not something that everyone will enjoy, but I think a lot of people will enjoy it. It's not a map that you can easily beat. It's not meant for rookies. In every ramp you're not going to land, every jump that is, you're not going to land perfectly. But that being said, I think you will enjoy it, just to mess around with, not to take too seriously. So there's a couple aspects that I would like to point out. One of them is that this little intersection right here, you actually jump through 3 times. At the beginning, during the first large jump, and then you make it through the last jump. So that really leaves a lot of room for collisions. And then also, you come across another location right here that you cross through twice in midair. I mean, collisions are one of the best parts about race maps, and so I figured let's make the odds pretty high that they will occur quite frequently. And then I'm also one that likes a very almost clustered map. Like, I wanted the main gist of the course to be very close to each other. So as you can see, it's not very widely spread out, and that was done that way on purpose. There are 2 teleporters. One takes you to this giant sword guy, and then another one takes you over around right to that teleporter. That sword guy I did not make. I had a friend that was lonely and joined my Forge session, and I told him that it would be awesome if he created some kind of guy over there out of rocks. And so that is his masterpiece. That was not done by me. What a beautiful smile that creature has. But yeah, one thing that I thought was kind of cool is I figured out a way to get the Wraith to float. It also works with the Ghost. You can kind of fly around for a decent chunk of the map, that is. But yeah, and here I was trying to get down. But yeah, that really is the map. I hope you guys enjoy it if you download it, and please comment, rate, and subscribe this video. I really do appreciate that, and feel free to check out any more of my Halo videos. You guys have a great night.